Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Messenger and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.